Yes, guys, it's my birthday weekend and I have a lot of video for you guys. Mega extra, no? Mega extra. So a lot of extra video I'm gonna get this.
Shelatin, awesomeness. Shelatin, awesome. Shelatin, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Sharp family. We're chilling with the Sharp family.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
And guess what? It's the Queen birthday.
Yeah, people, it's our birthday weekend and we're trying to make it special, you know.
Yes.
So we're making it special and we having some fun while doing it, you know.
Yes.
Right now we're
And
driving.
we're on a road trip.
Yeah.
Let the birthday weekend begin.
Yeah, guys. Having fun. Sucking that sweetie.
But apart from that, I am really grateful to live to see another year. You know, yeah, I'm grateful.
Oh, maybe I saw. Oh. The man that threw me off a while ago, you know.
The man go about in business.
Come here and say what the man that turned
You
this off.
forgot your business. So thank you guys for the birthday greetings. You know, thank you for the gift and all those nice stuff. I
Yeah,
really
guys.
appreciate them.
Thanks for the support, guys. You don't know what make Ted feel nice, you know, on a special day. Because she's really awesome. You know. And today we're beating our shirts. Come on, baby, show them the shirt.
Shelatin awesomeness. Shelatin awesomeness. Please, when you stop driving, look at the shot of the shirt.
Yeah.
Thank you, Casey, for the shirt.
Yeah, good job, Casey.
Yes, great job. Betty Jem, thank you for my gift, girl. Thank you so much. Really
And Casey gift too, but Casey's gift.
Yes, Casey, I thank you for my gift. I thank you so much. Okay?
You guys, we love you guys, you know.
Yes.
Really log on and being supportive and it's like a family vibe.
Yeah.
We're building a family vibe around you guys and we appreciate you guys being on the journey with us, no doubt. Yeah.
And Obi decided that, you know, he want to make my birthday extra special, you know. So, you know, we got all out. So,
Yep,
we
people,
got all out to
now.
that one, yeah.
Can I go somewhere in the Mobile side there, you know. You don't know which part we are going, so I try to follow directions. You listen to Google.
I Google and tell you where we are going.
Yeah, Google has said turn there so and turn there so. But I know we're not gonna last. Can't last so easy.
But guys, you will see. You will see.
Yeah,
Oh wait. Big up Avril for the hairstyle, you know? And the ramp with Avril, you know? Yeah, Avril, come on, strong panda one, yeah. I love it. I love it.
The color here always fit our people. I always say when she
With
go
a little
braid,
pink hair stuff. Yeah.
but that color here can fit her.
I love it.
I'm gonna up on the camera on some face people not seeing a piece of my face. Yeah, sure. Up.
Show your hairstyle. Show your hairstyle. Because I'm a hairstyle, I'm not show the people that me know. Show them your one.
I don't know hairstyle, I just have hair on my head. So, I'm gonna have hairstyle. Yeah, guys. So right now, I think this is where we're in. See no sign or something. No sign in the sign on the road. So about there. I think we're still in a center or so.
Yeah, we're in St. Anne's, Priory, St. Anne's.
Alright, guys. So we're about an hour and a half to go.
Let us show you some of the journey, guys. Journey with us. Yes, guys, it's my birthday weekend and I have a lot of video for you guys. Mega extra now. Mega extra. So a lot of extra video I'm gonna get this weekend. So
Alright,
look out
people.
for it.
Content
Look out
create.
for it. Yes. So see you. Stay tuned.
So gonna
Remember
have
to
enough
like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell another friend about Shellington awesomeness.
Peace out.
Out.